Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Gary Roberts here, and I'm super excited right now. We're coming from beautiful San Antonio, Texas, and right now we're shooting this video because in the next 90 days, we're launching something completely game-changing that may change your life if you take action right now. If you take the steps and actually take the action to change your life, because they say passing over opportunities repeatedly is the definition of staying poor, right? So we want to give you an opportunity to team up with us. Just 4 years ago, I was scrolling Facebook, scrolling Twitter. I seen a video just like this. A guy saying he's making money, his life is changing, all because of an opportunity he took online as an entrepreneur, as a network marketer. And I said, you know what do I have to lose? And I got started. I took action immediately, right? In the last 4 years, I've been able to make multiple hundreds of thousands, build teams in the tens of thousands. And now I'm in a part of my career where it's no longer about my success. We've had tons of success, built tons of success stories, and now we want to create some more, but we're going to do it bigger and better than we ever have. So we have a movement called Retired in 365. Basically meaning we're going to teach you, we're going to take you from out of your ordinary lifestyle or whatever you're doing, going from day to day. We're going to plug you in with successful 6-figure, 7-figure earners, entrepreneurs, give you step-by-step guidance on what you need to do to be successful and retire in the next 365. Will it be hard? Yes. Will it be worth it? Yes. So it's all up to you if this is something that you really feel like you need to do and really feel like you want to change your life and take that opportunity and take that step, then link arms with us and we'll guide you through exactly what you need to do to get it to that next level. And we out.